Conversation. Shopping for stationery.
I'm setting up a new office. I need some stationery.
Word. Stationery. Meaning. Material for writing and for using in an office. For example, paper, pens, and envelopes.
Sir, we are very well stocked. Please tell me what you need.
Good. Please give me 2 reams of paper, a clipboard, a dozen blue and a dozen black gel ballpoint pens, a box of erasers, 2 dozen pencils and 2 bottles of correction fluid.
Word. Ream. Meaning. 500 sheets of paper. Example, she wrote reams in the exam.
We have a new all-purpose correction pen also. Would you like to try it?
Word. All-purpose. Meaning. Having many different uses. Example, poetry was used for all purposes.
Yes, give me 2 please. I also need a stapler, a tape dispenser and a punching machine. Please add these to the list.
Is that all?
I think that's all for the present. Please make the bill in the name of Labour and Weight Corporation, London.
Right, sir. I'll have your things packed and ready in a few minutes.